Hello, fabulous fourth graders. Now you're watching this video. If you don't have access to a printer, you are going to write these things inside your English Language Arts journal. So I've added my table of contents. Now remember, your number might not match with mine, and that's okay. Just make sure that you've got the writing process as your next one. Now, if you did have a printer, you printed something that looked like this in the other video we went through it, you are always welcome to go back and watch this video if you want to know some additional information, but I'm not going to have you guys write all of these things today in your English Language Arts journal. So I'm going to turn to my next clean page. That's where you should be. And at the top of your paper, you're going to write the writing process. Now you can write that in any marker, pen, pencil, however you chose to write it. I wrote it in red so it sticks out. Then we're going to come over here to the side, and our very first step is pre-writing. Now pre-writing is really just brainstorming. Brainstorming is when you list a bunch of ideas that you know about. You want to make sure that you have background knowledge on all of those things that you choose. And then you're also going to use a graphic organizer. Okay, now notice how I'm writing this on my paper. I'm going to show you what I expect written on your paper, right? But I'm going to move it so you can copy it all at one time. So when I put this paper down, just like I have started here, notice, writing process, pre-writing, brainstorm, graphic organizer, right? Pre-writing, brainstorm, graphic organizer. You are going to take this and you are going to write what it says about each one of these things, and I'm going to just continue to talk. So our pre-writing is our brainstorming. This is where we're going to list all of our ideas. Our rough draft is just writing. I don't want you to worry about spelling or where your punctuation goes or anything like that. Then we're going to use dare to revise. We're going to delete unnecessary information. We're going to add more detail and transition words. We're going to rearrange items to stick to the topic, and we're going to exchange words for stronger words. This is where we're going to use our thesaurus. Then, after you've done dare to revise, you're going to do cups to edit. You're going to check for capitals, uses, punctuation, and spelling. Then you're going to move on to peer reflection or have the teacher read it. You're going to read your writing to appear and go over the checklist together. Your checklist will look something like this next week. Then finally, you're going to write your final copy, and this week where our papers will be writing in handwriting, so you're going to use your very, very best handwriting. All right, friends, this was your overview to the writing process. You need to pause the video and finish writing this in your English Language Arts spiral. And then you need to take a picture of what it looks like, because it should look like this, but it should have all of this information on your paper. That's what I expect to see. Have a great rest of your day, friends.